Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. And I wanted to make this quick video. I got a message from a Facebook follower that follows my videos, and she put a message on there, and I'm going to read you exactly what she said. She said, and then I'm going to give you some background on it. And the background on it is kind of how I ended up starting the credit repair shop. So this is what she said. She said, "Hi, I like all your videos on debt collectors. So I used what you said in court, and the plaintiff attorney was shocked. I denied the debt for more people didn't total over $26,000. That they went on a payment plan." Okay, so it's kind of confusing on how she stated it here, but basically what she's saying is that there were four other people that, from the way I'm understanding it, four other people, including her, that were in court, debt collector. You know what they do is they bundle all of these together so one attorney can be in court and they're just calling people up. And the four people took payment plans. They didn't fight, they didn't dispute, didn't do anything. She did what I told people to do at minimum. Like if you don't have any time to respond to the court summons, or you forget to do it, or you just, put it off, you show up in court and you dispute right at that time. You just say, I don't agree with what's being said about either the balances, or I've never worked with this company, or you say all of that. And a lot of the times the judge will ask them to present the paperwork right at that time. And it must have been what happened with this particular individual, maybe. But what happened with me was, and I'll give you the background on it. Well, first, let me tell you what happened with her, because that's what the whole video is about. Is that they immediately just dismissed. I don't know if the judge dismissed it or if the plaintiff attorney dismissed it. Usually, the plaintiff attorney will dismiss it because they know that they don't have the information. What happened with me when I did it, just to give you the background on it, is that I went to court and I did not respond to the summons, but I showed up to court. And it was mainly because I know that I didn't owe someone 4,500 bucks. Um, but it was from a credit card from more than like it. Well, at that time, it was probably like 12 years ago, back from 1990, actually back from 1989 when I was in the military, and they tried to balloon it up to 4,500 bucks. And I went to court and I just said I didn't know, I did not owe anyone 4,500 bucks, and they made them prove everything. And when they sent the information to me, they sent me stacks of information about how they purchased a credit card account. And that's how I kind of started learning about credit and credit repair and debt settlement, and debt collectors buying debt. And I ended up settling that debt for $500, but I didn't have to pay anything. It should have been dismissed because I didn't even know about statute of limitations back then. And I just didn't know my rights. Now I do. If something like that was to ever come up, I would know. And try to, and I put that in my video so you can understand it. But what happened with this individual is she went to court, did not do a response, just showed up, followed my instruction on saying that I do not agree with what they're claiming, and it ended up getting dismissed. And the other people, uh, they ended up getting into payments. And she said it was over $26,000 that that group. Let's see here. Let me go back. I denied the debt for more people. People didn't total over. So if I'm reading it right, she denied the debt for $26,000, and they went on a payment plan. My case was dismissed. I think what she's saying is that they tried to claim she owed $26,000, or the other groups of people owed. Uh, it wasn't 100% clear. I just put, what she stated. But bottom line, it got dismissed. And even if a debt collector purchases a debt and it's not past statute of limitation, you still have a right to make them prove every part of that debt. And the way that a lot of these debt collectors are trying to collect it is that they're being very loose about the way that they do their court summons. They're just throwing things out there because they don't think people know how to respond, and they don't think people will show up to court. And then if people show up to court, they don't know what question to ask. Asking the right question can force a debt collector to either ask for reschedule to get more information, or it could just force them to dismiss it. And that's what happened with this one. So just wanted to make that quick video. I like hearing from people on that have good results off the information that I give you. If you need help with your credit, please visit our website, thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need your credit reports and scores, please go to the website, your3scores.com, and keep that, because you're going to need that information on a monthly basis to be able to know what's going on and to know how you're going to be fixing your credit, if you're going to be fixing on your own or having someone fix it, and to get the information from the responses from you trying to fix it, because they do not have to mail you responses anymore due to COVID. They do not. So everything's going to be fed into a monitoring service, and you want to make sure that you have a monitoring service that gives you all of the information. And then if you need my debt uh, cease collection activities letter, that link is below here. If you need my debt validation letter, that link is below here. And if you need my statute of limitations on collecting debt letter, notification letter, that letter is below here. And I would like to thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you.